This is an installation of a Loup Electronics Weighlog Vue on a Kawasaki 95Z in Las Vegas, Nevada. Installations performed by Unique Solutions for Industry. And the Weighlog Vue uses inclometers to sense the position of the chassis in reference to the ground, and an inclometer on the lift arm to sense the position of the lift arm as well. We mounted the exterior junction box by drilling and tapping 2 1/4-20 holes just behind the light post here inside the loader near the articulation. All of the wires to the external sensors terminate to this box. There's a color-coded diagram on the inside lid of the box to tell you where each wire goes. There's one cable that goes from this box up into the cab, and that cable is routed down through this center hole here, through the articulation. There is one quick disconnect plug right here. The wire goes down through, up underneath the cab, and it's difficult to see up there. There's a hole up there already that goes into a junction box. Under the right arm of the operator's chair. From there I was able to bring 24-volt keyed power and ground. The ground is taken from this screw here. The keyed power is a piggyback fuse adapter that's tied into the radio power. That's keyed power. Since I'm up here, I'll show you the head unit. This is the Weighlog Vue. It's a touch screen model. There's one cable that exits the back. That cable is run just down the right side here underneath the floor mat and right into that box that I was just showing you. And I used my own L bracket and caught a bolt that was already in there. It was just a Phillips head, and then I added a self-tapping screw into the upholstery to help support that. The ball and sockets provided by Loup Electronics. This is the chassis inclometer. Simply just real short wire terminates directly into the box. The other wire leaves the bottom of the box, goes through the inside. No, I'm sorry, those are the pressure sensor cables. Go through the inside, runs along the inside wall, and they come out right there where we installed split flange blocks and straight 90 adapters inside the split flange blocks to go to our pressure sensors, which have electrical quick disconnects. Better view right there. Pressure sensor, quick disconnect on the outside. They run in through this hole, the wires do run through this hole. Come right through that hole right there and go right to the back where I was just showing you the other point of view. And for the boom angle sensor, that simply straps to a grease line, and then one of the mechanics for the customer was kind enough to put a couple of little fittings here for me to zip tie to. Comes right over the pin, right over the top there. So this is the installation of a Kawasaki 95Z in Las Vegas, Nevada.